don't think your dog would like this thing a lot. He likes it when it goes boom, boom, boom. I should do it again in a second. Just a second. Here we come, Hollywood Studios. It's gonna be such a fun day.
Hollywood Studio. Alright, we're in Star Wars land with Amy and Bashi. She is about to get on the Rise of the Resistance.
For the first time, we're gonna be on Monday.
Somebody doesn't want to wear the hat. Oh, we're waiting for Amy. Little guy is sitting here watching some Peppa Pig. Alright, here comes Mama. Let's see what she thought.
That was awesome.
What'd you think?
That was awesome. I'm a part of the resistance.
What'd you give it?
Give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
It was
Holy
awesome. I still like Guardians more, but it was awesome. I feel like I'm
Is
part
this
of
the
Star
best
Wars.
ride here?
It's the best ride at Hollywood Studios, for sure. What do you think?
I gave it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? You didn't like it?
I liked it. This is, for me, it's probably the best one here in
Yeah.
Hollywood Studios. I like how realistic it was. Like the whole hallway and everything.
Super immersive.
The whole, like, everybody, the employees were in character.
Yeah, the employees are really cool. It was super immersive.
I love the
really
drop.
Yeah, the drop.
I want to do it
fun.
again. See, I couldn't say anything because I got on it first and Amy had
I had to wait because there's
technical
technical difficulties. But it was so
difficulties.
fun.
But she enjoys
the
it.
crowd of people I had
10 out of
was
10.
really fun. 10 out of 10 for Hollywood Studios. I still like Guardians more and Epcot, but don't you?
Yeah.
But it's a blast.
Well, I mean, if we're doing rides per park, then yeah.
Yeah, rides per park. But if you're doing like a total, so far still Guardians.
Rise of the Resistance, usually about a 60 to 70 minute wait. And today's a Wednesday. We got in quick using the lightning lane.
Purchase the lightning lane.
This lady right here
It's worth it.
does it all.
You don't want to wait that long.
We highly recommend que usen la aplicación. Use the app on your phone.
If we get the chance to ride it again, if it's a shorter wait, like if it's 30-minute wait, I'd wait.
At the Sci-Fi Diner. It's a diner that takes you back, I believe, to the 80s, 70s, somewhere around that era. We'll find out for sure. Monsters. Where are we at?
Sci-Fi restaurant. We're in a
Cool.
car. We're in the back.
He couldn't hold his excitement. He got bored in the car.
Gotta give it a few minutes, okay? Give it a few minutes so it cools off.
Especially chicken tenders, fries, and random corn on the cob.
It's hot. I know, baby. You gotta give it a few minutes.
Garlic
It's hot, but it'll fall off in a second.
And I got a classic.
Yeah, blow on it.
Who's that? I don't know the guy.
Hi, Goofy! Well, beautiful day for a picnic. Yep, we're off to the park. See you all there. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. And I'm in any trouble. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up!
Some smoke, look.
Sure to take good care of our friends! What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Oh no! Minnie, let's take that runaway train! We have to stop them before they go over the...
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong!
Hamsters, what'd you think of Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway?
It's cute. It's just a little, it's too much.
Too much swinging?
It's too much. Like, I feel like it's just all too much. Like the cartoon is just, it's just too much.
What do you give it out of 10?
I mean, it's better than Small World. Small World's my least favorite.
A number 1 to 10.
Probably a 3.
A 3 out of 10.
Yeah, I really don't like it.
Yeah, same here.
It's cute and all, like I get it, it's cute, but I'm just not, and I don't know, I think my son was more worried about the characters, but he might just be too little for it too. The Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Falcon. Last time on Millennium Falcon we had, go left. We were both engineers and we didn't like that.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to get either shooters or pilots this time.
Hopefully we get it. Hasta la vista. Alright, Aimsters, she rolled the Millennium Falcon or drove it. She flew. She piloted.
I was the left side pilot. If you want to go on Millennium.
I thought you said you were the right.
I rode the ship, yeah. I drove the ship.
1 out of 10.
I flew it. I give it an 8 out of 10.
For
It's
being a
pretty
pilot?
good. If you're the pilot.
The pilot.
The engineer is so good.
She said it's
But
like playing a video game.
if you're the engineer, you don't have to watch the screen the whole time. So if you get motion sickness easily, and you're just doing it with your family, you can be the engineer. But pilot, oh my gosh, it's so good. The right side pilot, you can go to hyperspeed, and you're up and down. The left side pilot is left and right. It was a blast. You should have been a pilot.
I was a shooter this time. We're at Backlot Express. We're gonna try the Wookiee cookie. Sorry. Bashy's looking forward to it.
Alright, here we are at Backlot Express to get this oatmeal Wookie cookie that Carlos is super excited about. Hooray! Here it is.
I finally appear on a video.
It's pretty cool. Ooh, you and Bashy are gonna enjoy that, huh?
Enough talk.
Alright.
Let's go find a seat.
Let's go take a seat.
Perfect lighting.
Ooh.
See this
Alright.
cookie.
Alright, let's see what you guys think about it. What do you think about it?
This should be my dessert.
You what?
I said this should be my dessert.
Should be your dessert?
Yeah.
You enjoy it that much?
A little crispy.
Nice. Have anything else to say about it? There you go, folks. Get yourself a Wookie cookie.
Today we're eating at Roundup Rodeo.
We need to check in.
We're gonna check in a few minutes and it's barbecue. Giddy up. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Thank you.
Alright, little toy facilities are over there if you guys do need those while we're here. And this way.
Super top.
Now as we go on in, you are going to see a bunch of familiar friends.
Goodness gracious.
You have quite a few
I like your words. We got a buddy strapped in and he got some crayons.
It's gonna be fun.
You got plenty of plates still? I'll bring one more.
Where is it? I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom! Have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it! Never mind!
Well done,
He's not a big fan of the random places.
Holy smoke.
But it was fun. They go high in the sky.
What'd you think of Roundup?
Well, I enjoyed it, but it got cut short because this one grew up, so I don't know what's going on with him, but I enjoyed it. I mean, it wasn't, I don't think it was worth the money that we paid for it.
Worth?
I don't think
Wasn't
it
worth?
I
Okay.
don't think
I give it a...
I mean,
I'd skip out on it next time.
yeah, I mean, it's fun. If you wanted to go and check it out once, if you're like a big Toy Story fan.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't come back for the money, and it's not like anything The food's not anything super special. I feel bad saying that right here. But I mean, the atmosphere is really cool.
I don't want to make a big